My name is Shiro Washizawa. I'm a design program manager of XPANDER at Mitsubishi Motors. I'd like to explain the design concept of 23 model year XPANDER Cross.
XPANDER is a unique MPV that combines the sleek silhouette of an advanced MPV with solid and tough SUV-like fenders. Although it is an MPV, its large tires realize high ground clearance and offer the taste of an SUV with practicality. The SUV version, which I would now like to introduce further, reinforces the SUV-like strength and practicality of XPANDER. Our pursuit for a dependable protection shape for the body and a stance that appears to be lifted up evolves the XPANDER to be even more SUV-like, enhancing its sense of prestige as the highest-end model in the series. Now I would like to explain the front design starting from its top. First, the front grille. The large black metallic grille has its opening positioned higher than the MPV, making its center of gravity look higher, while its three-dimensional trapezoidal motif and two solid bars that provide a sense of stability give the design an aggressive and prestigious feel that shows its SUV-ness. It shares the same front combination lights with the MPV for a sharp expression. The dynamic shield, in contrast to the angular and sharp design of the MPV, is geometric like a powerful SUV. The bottom section of the dynamic shield has been raised to express its high center of gravity. It shares the same headlight components as the MPV, but the contours have been changed. These features give the entire car a wider and more lifted-up appearance. The front bumper, expressed in a large protector form in the motif of a guard bar just below the grille, gives the entire front a powerful lifted-up feel like an SUV. The tough material black that connects from the lower bumper to the side protector and the dark silver, coordinated from the lower center skid guard and fog lamp bezel to the body sides, is a powerfully functional yet prestigious color scheme. Next, I would like to explain the side starting from the front end. The design of the black wheel arch molding, which offers protection around the tires, appeals both strong SUV-ness and a sophisticated, luxurious image. The door garnish and side sill, which continue from the wheel arch molding, emphasize the body's lifted-up appearance. The alloy wheels are a machined two-tone, with contrast reduced to medium tone. The skid guard and door garnishes are color-coordinated, giving the wheel area a sophisticated feeling with a sense of SUV-like protection. The rear bumper matches the front with a guard bar motif and skid guard. Like the front, the body-colored guard bar form, tough material black that connects from the sides and dark silver skid guard are combined to produce a sense of powerful functionality and prestige. The rear design is more tough and lifted up than the MPV. The interior shares the same horizontal axis concept instrumental panel adopted from the 22 model year MPV, as well as a new SUV-exclusive 8-inch color LCD meter and large diameter 4-spoke steering wheel. The horizontal axis concept is Mitsubishi's powerful and reliable SUV identity, featuring a horizontal framework that runs through the instrument panel. Covered with navy blue soft padding exclusive to the SUV, the combination of luxurious soft touch quality and powerful styling expresses our XPANDER's highest-end model. Coordinated with matching soft padding and stitching from the instrument panel to the door trims, it marks a far more high level of quality in this class. The steering wheel diameter is slightly larger than the previous models and features a high-end silver switched panel. These seats you see are the optional high-quality leather seats with accent stitching. The leather seats are synthetic leather, equipped with a heat guard function that suppresses the seat surface temperature from rising. It is standard equipped with diamond patterned fabric seats. Next, let me introduce the interior equipment. We have a flat digital air conditioning panel that characterizes its advanced image. The big toggle switches enable stable and reliable operation. Furthermore, the Max Cool button offers full power rapid cooling. There are large cup holders, and the floor console box can hold 4 600ml plastic bottles, tissue paper, and other small items. We also placed care for the second row seats. We've installed cup holders in the armrest. Behind the console, there are 2 USB ports for charging, Type A and Type C, so passengers can better enjoy the ride.
ボディカラーはタフさを感じ
New color green bronze metallic has been added. It holds a sense of toughness and modern luxury. Other colors in the lineup include quartz white pearl, blade silver metallic, graphite gray metallic, jet black mica, and sunrise orange metallic.
That's all for my design explanation. Thank you.